Hello, welcome to Lotto Prof channel. Yesterday Monday wasn't easy, but we thank God for everything. Okay, today is lucky Tuesday. If God permit, today we must win. Okay, so let's proceed at event 718. Okay, it's a second move. You see this, your parking, which is addition of 103. Okay, so following week, this 69 from 96, it will give you 27. Following week, let it play at second boss in machine. Okay, so following week, this 69 from 84 to give you 15, and also this 34 from 84, it will give you 50. You're too sure, which is addition of 65. Okay, so let's check the current one. You meet your parking. Your parking, okay. Your parking 4162, addition of 103. Okay, so following week, this 41 from 96, it will give you double 5. Let's play at second boss in machine. Okay, so following week, this 41 from 84, it will give you 43. Okay, to give you 43, and this 62 from 84 to give you 22. You're too sure. Okay, so let's check another second move. This current second move. You could see this 21 plus 17 in machine, it will give you addition of 38. Okay, so following with this 17, let it counter, and this 21 should repeat, giving you addition of 83. Okay, also you check the current one, single 4 plus 34, it will give you addition of 38. So following week, repeat this single 4, and this counter the 34 to 79. So our too short again is single 4, 79, giving you addition of 83. Okay, that's all for today. I love you. Keep on subscribing to my channel, share, like, and comment. Stay blessed. Goodbye.